I don't think it could take my job. People like face-to-face.
I'm going to just shift the gear towards technology conversation. Because there's so much to be done and so much to be analyzed. Are you using AI as part of your workflow? And will AI take your job as a support coordinator?
I don't think it could take my job. People like face-to-face. I don't think it could. I think there's definitely room for AI to be integrated into this space for sure. I think what is probably concerning is, programs like ChatGPT. I don't know what some of the other ones are, but, you can kind of get a report and you can tell, when AI's written it. And what's really concerning, not concerning, well, yeah, it is a little concerning, is, the reports that I see that I can tell have been, probably just fixed up a bit.
From the caseworkers or from the care workers?
From therapists, from various parties. You can kind of tell when it's been judged by AI. But it's really interesting that it's those reports that are coming back and getting appropriate plans. So I'm like, okay, why aren't we developing a system where, like some sort of NDIS system where all providers, all therapists build into this portal for a person. It would create more accountability if all providers had to use one, program, because then it's like no one can hide dodgy shifts, lacking case notes, there'd be a lot more accountability. If therapists are using these AI programs, and I don't think there's anything necessarily wrong with that other than obviously the privacy, licensing, things like that, that's a grey area. I'm not a tech person. I don't know. I don't think there's anything necessarily wrong with that kind of integrated technology. But if we're going to do that, why are we then billing, like a functional capacity assessment, I think, is about 10 hours.
Yeah.